We have some breaking news coming in. ED has now released the properties of Nirav Modi worth more than 1,000 crore rupees, and these properties were attached during the course of the investigation, and the assets of Nirav Modi are all set to be auctioned now to recover the pending dues of the PNB Bank case. And remember, these are properties that include Rhythm House at Kala Ghoda. We also have the flat at Nepensi Road and 3 other office buildings in Kurla. Meanwhile, there is also a jewelry shop that has also now been released for, which were attached during the course of the investigation. And also the National Company Law Tribunal has also appointed a liquidator to auction these properties as well. That's the latest coming in of ED that has now released the properties of Nirav Modi worth more than 1,000 crore rupees. Let me also go across now to Alicia joining us. Yes, Alicia, please share more details on this.
Well, we know that the enforcement director has released the property of Nirav Modi worth more than 1,000 crore, and these are the property were attached during the course of investigation. We know that the assets of Nirav Modi are set to be auctioned to recover the pending dues of the PNB Bank. But this property also include the Rhythm House at Kala Ghoda, if you can show the visuals of the Rhythm House which is being in Kala Ghoda. And importantly, to talk about this very property, where in 2017 he has bought this Rhythm House building through his company Farstar Diamond from its owner, the Kulmani family, for worth rupees 32 crore. His plan was to convert this heritage property into the high-end jewelry showroom. We are showing you the visuals and specifically the banner which is being placed by the enforcement director, and importantly, it is clearly stated that the Fire Star Diamond is granted liquidation process in accordance with the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, pursuant to the order passed by the Honorable National Company Law Tribunal Mumbai bench dated 26th of February 2020. So as we know that the property which is being attached, which is the enforcement director has already reattached assets worth rupees more than 1,000 crore, including once house, Rhythm House music store at Kala Ghoda, or Nepensi Road flat, an office building in Kurla, and a jewelry of Nirav Modi on the court order for auction to recover the Punjab National Bank dues. Importantly, we know that the order was given, and the Mumbai bench of the National Company Law Tribunal had in February 2020 ordered liquidation of the assets. So as we know that this is one of the property where Republic has already reached, and importantly now the ED has already released the property of Nirav Modi worth more than 1,000 crore, and this is to the order of the court which is being given to recover the pending dues of the PNB Bank.
And stay with us, Alicia, and you are reporting for us from one of the properties that were seized and attached by the ED. A Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act court had also ruled in favor of the Punjab National Bank, allowing its plea and seeking the release on restoration of certain properties that are worth 1,000 crore rupees that has now been done. Take us through the details of the investigation so far and what exactly the court had to say.
Well, we know that the Nirav Modi is lodged in a UK jail and is facing an extradition to India. Specifically now, when ED during the course of investigation is been attaching all the properties related to Nirav Modi, and specifically this is after the order of the National Law Tribunal Court. Importantly, this is because to recover the money which is around 1,600 crore rupees which is due, and this is to the recovery of that. We are actually standing right outside the property which is being attached by the ED and will be soon auctioned by the enforcement directorate. And specifically, this property was bought in 2017. The Rhythm House was brought in 2017 for worth rupees, the information which has been given by the agency, that is for 32 crore. And this the Nirav Modi plan was to convey this heritage property into the high-end jewelry showroom. In 2018, Nirav Modi, who fled the country with his family, the ED has attached Rhythm House house building along with other properties and confiscated them after legal proceeding. After that, even know that the Anand Mahindra, the other industrialist who has proposed crowdfunding to save the Ionic music store and revive it. So he has also met the ED official to discuss the auction process. So all we know that ED who has been already in process to attach the properties which is worth more than 1,000 crore, and soon it's going to be auctioned.
Yes.
So that they can already recover the dues of the PNB Bank.
All right, thank you so much, Alicia, for getting us that update. We'll be closely tracking the developments. Meanwhile, the ED has now released the properties of Nirav Modi worth more than 1,000 crore rupees.